Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So today I'm going to be tinting the taillights on this 2016 Mercedes C300. However, I'm not going to tint the whole entire light because my wife doesn't really want it to look so dark. Even with the smoke tint, it still looks somewhat dark and she wants to really keep the red look. And I thought to myself, what can I do to help the look of the car? Well, if you guys remember, on my black Mercedes C250 a while back, when I first tinted the taillights, all I did was I actually tinted the little area where the reverse lights were at. And that actually changes the whole look of the taillight without having to tint the whole entire taillight. So that's what I'm going to be doing to the Mercedes today. However, I can't really find a reseller who offers that little tint strip just for the reverse lights. So what I'm going to do is I actually have some leftover tint from doing the Audi, and I'm going to use that on this car. And I'm also going to tint the front reflector area of the headlights as well. So here's some light smoke film from Vivid Vinyls. I'm going to cut a good enough size that will cover up the reverse light area. Now I'm just going to peel off the backing paper and stick it right over that reverse light area. Next, I'm going to use a pen to trace out the outline of the reverse light area. Now I'm going to peel off the film and put it back onto its backing paper. And then I'm just going to use a pair of scissors to cut off all the excess. Now with the new film, I'm going to clean the taillight, peel off the backing paper and apply the tint. Use a squeegee to squeegee out all the wrinkles. And lastly, use a heat gun to lock everything into place. I also went ahead and did the same for the front reflectors. So here it is with no tint, and here it is with tint. I think it looks awesome. And here's the front without tint, and here it is with tint. I think it really changes the look of the headlights. It definitely looks cool. So there you have it, a very subtle mod that really enhances the look of the car in the back and the front. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.